Three die in St. Thomas two-vehicle crash. Gun taken from patient with bullet wound to the head. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details.
Officer, we need some crowd control. My boss, we need everybody here. I'm going here.
Three people, two taxi operators and an accountant are now dead following a two-vehicle crash in St. Thomas on Tuesday evening. The deceased have been identified by the police as 61-year-old accountant Earl Taylor, who was of a Pembroke Hall address in Kingston 20, and taxi operator Maurice Hines, 41, and Derek Berger, 61. Hines was from Retreat in St. Thomas and Berger from Lloyd District in Yallas, also in St. Thomas. 7 other people were injured and taken to the hospital for treatment. Reports are that about 6:40 p.m. Tuesday, two Toyota Probox motorcars were traveling in opposite direction along a section of the South Coast Highway in St. Thomas when they collided. A 20-year-old man who was taken to hospital after being shot in the head is now himself facing gun-related charges. The police are reporting that a weapon was taken from him while he was being treated at hospital. The Kingston Central Police stated that they have charged David Witter, otherwise called Pops, of Wildman Street in Kingston with being in possession of a prohibited weapon and unauthorized possession of ammunition following an incident in his community on March 3. Reports are that about 8:10 p.m., Witter was shot in the head by unknown assailants and was taken to the hospital for treatment. While being treated, the police stated that one FMK 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 14 rounds of ammunition was found in his possession. Following an investigation, Witter was formally charged after a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney. The police stated his court date has not yet been finalized.